Google World, we are live. So we have a BMW. Finally got that blacked out the logo. And we have the front. Excuse me, I'm on the front of my driveway to get out the way of my QX60. I'm gonna be putting on the front lip. As you can see, I blacked out the logos. Last video. That's how that came out. Bear with me, we will be putting on the front lip. So mission failed. This is how it came out. Not liking it. Really like rubber. Don't recommend it. I'm gonna leave it on for now, and I'm gonna actually order the actual front lip for it. This is not the look that I was going for. So, if you choose to get this front lip, please know that the 3M doesn't stick very well, and you will have to drill holes in the bottom of it. I did about 3 or 4, and this is the result. Didn't even cut it right because I don't really like it, but I'm gonna leave it for the second. And then I'm gonna order some more front lips, probably the ones actually designed for this car that are the harder plastic, since I already had to drill holes in it. All right, thank you for checking out the video.